That's right, baby. The TT Tomahawk. That was. Here we go. I forgot how much you guys love the Tomahawk. I'm gonna go back to continue to use it all the time. Here we go. Everything ships. There's a little Wemby there for the Spurs. And our first hit, Ant-Man for the Timberwolves. 82 of 150. Get him in here nicely. Anthony Edwards on the blue for the Timberwolves. That's going to Ryan. Rookie refractor, Carter Bryant. And our first auto here goes to the Nets. Rookie Drake Powell, rookie's auto to the Nets. Going to the new guy, Jonathan. Right? I think it's your first break with me. You joined before and I forgot. Sorry. We got Jalen Duren on the X Factor for the Pistons and Bam Adebayo Oil Slick for Miami. And our next number hit, Dwight Howard to the Magic. 127 out of 150. Lakers, LeBron. It's been a while since we had a numbered LeBron card. Real talk. We don't open a ton of basketball, but still. At 150 on the checker, LeBron James. Going to Corey. How many years LeBron got left? Second. Sorry, Jonathan. My mistake. Whatever. LeBron could go there for now. Trae Young on the oil slick for the Hawks. Joan Behringer, Arrivals, refractor. And we got Jimmy Butler here to 250 for Golden State. 135 out of 250 to Sean on the Warriors. We had a monster Paul Skeens earlier. We got a LeBron James uncommon refractor. That's the common LeBron James over here. Common has the slanted stripe. Uncommon has the circle. And rare has both. For anyone trying to figure that out. We got a rising star here quickly. Con Canuple, just a base card, but I feel like his cards are going up big. New rookie 3-point leader, right? And our second auto here, Nuggets. Jamal Murray. That's not too bad. Finest autographs, 25 out of 99. Denver Nuggets superstar. Jeff Michael in the house. Three-ish. Yeah, sounds about right. We got the Joker to 350 for the Nuggets to go with the little Jamal Murray there. Joker. Quickly on the oil slick to the Hawks. We got a Yannick X-Fractor Arrivals. A LaMelo Ball green to 25. Pecan green like that would be sick. OG Oil Slick. And Noah on the first refractor. All right, next box coming up. Guys, I got more finalists coming in later this week. I think Thursday. Friday, I'll be heading to the Yankees game to meet a friend here visiting from Jersey. Saturday, we'll be out all day. So if you want to get into some basketball before Sunday or Saturday night, tune in on Thursday. Drop in the group. There should be some basketball posting. If it comes tomorrow, I'll post it tomorrow. And let me know what other basketball product you guys want me to order. We got Josh Giddey on the rare oil slick. You see it's got the circle and the stripes there. That's a nice hit for the Bulls. Rare one up there. We got another Bam Adebayo. This one's the 200. Got that oil slick earlier. Walter Clayton, first refractor. Yeah, I would like to get more Topps Chrome. I mean, there's nothing else. It's Topps Chrome or Finest. Or Midnight. We didn't break any Midnight. You guys interested in that? I've been considering it. Still kind of expensive. We got VJ on the oil slick. That's a nice rookie for the Sixers there, Keith. And a VJ to 200. That's an even nicer rookie for you there, my friend. Purple, 50 of 200 VJ on the uncommon. And Carter Bryant on the first X-Fractor. Sapphire. Topps Chrome Sapphire. You down? Moloch. I feel like I can't even afford to watch one of those breaks. Magic Johnson refractor. Oh! Let's go, baby! To the Hornets! On card Constantinople, baby! Let's go, Trevor Clemenson! Yeah! Sheesh! On card, baby! On card! Damn! Huge card right now. Masters Auto. Damn. Trevor TT's always got your back, my friend. Sheesh. That's a monster. That's a freaking monster. TT's got your back, baby. Damn. Damn. Let's go. I don't think we've hit his auto yet in the room. We all just hit that quadruple. Let's go. Everybody's pumped. Brandon Miller, Oil Slick, Markkanen Refractor. Everybody's pumped. Trevor's doing the happy dance in his living room right now. All right, 2 packs left. Cedric there on the Grizzlies will take that for the Grizz. For Johnny. And Koulibaly to 250. And another auto here is our 4th auto of the break. To the Lakers, Gabe Vincent. No Brom. We'll base Ace Bailey there. 1 pack to go. Thanks everybody for being a part of this break. Appreciate the same day fill. We'll have more basketball coming before you know it. We should do a Topps Chrome Hobby case break. Let's go. Who's down? Are we ready for that? Are we ready for that in here? I should get a case. So we'll just do 3 box breaks or something. I don't know. Here we go. There's a base con. Eamon Thompson. Derek Queen's a nice rookie for the Pelicans there. And a Ray Allen Muse. Just refractor. That's our break, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and hanging out. Stick around if you want to see all the hits that came out up close and personal. We're going to recap them all here for y'all. And then we'll be back at it tomorrow. We got a baseball break filling in right now. That looks like it's going to rip tomorrow. And we got soccer up, some more other stuff as well. Check out the group. Anytime you want to break, there's something different up. Don't expect you guys to join every break. But if you want to break, tune into the group because we got something going on. All right. Top hit of the break. The con, baby. To Trevor. A nice auto for the Nuggets here as well. Jamal Murray on the finest extractor. Gabe Vincent auto to the Lakers and a Drake Powell auto to the Nets. Parallels VJ to 200. LeBron to 150. Jokic 350. Con, just the base arrivals there. LeBron James refractor. Derek Queen to 350. Dwight Howard out of 150. LaMelo Ball to 25. Anthony Edwards out of 150. Jimmy Butler 250. Josh Giddey oil slick there. And the Cedric X-Fractor as well. Koulibaly 250. Clayton First out of Bio 200 and oil slick plus the Trae Young oil slick. And the call. Thank you guys. Have a great night. See you next time.